Hello viewers, welcome to our tutorial on how to install SCP plugins in your QGIS. So here we are. Go to your plugins, then click on manage installation, and then type it your SCP. Click the second one, semi-automatic classification plugins. Here we are. So you install it, install plugin, you click on it, click on OK. Ready to install. Most time it doesn't look like active. So please, if you install your SCP and it's not active, it's not activated, please do it to comment on comment under the comment section so I can do the video on how to carry out the activation processes. Please subscribe, like and share. So you can see this was just installed in a seconds without require for much processes. So if you are installed, you check on the toolbar and it's not there, know that it is not well activated. So please, if you have installed your SCP and it's not showing here, please do it to notify me and make a video on that, on how to set it up properly. Please subscribe, like and share. Please subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned to our next tutorial.